Alright guys, welcome once again to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be talking about how to create a whiteboard animation. Now this is a whiteboard animation. So today we are going to be talking about how to create them. Alright, in today's lesson, we are going to make use of an app. The name of this app is Binime. This app right here, Binime app. That's the app that we are going to make use of, okay? This app right here, Binime. We're going to make use of Binime app. So we open the app. Normally, if you download it from Play Store, if you don't, you're not going to see this white something. I mean, this thing here right now, this stuff here, you're not going to see it. This is because I've already used this Binime. Okay, I've used the Binime app and created a design before. So this is one of the creation I've done before with this Binime. So if you just download it recently, you just click on this purple icon, so you move over to it, we click on it, we name our animation. This one is the size of it. So you pick one, but I'm just going to stick with this YouTube 1080p. I'm going to stick with it, okay? So it's going to be in landscape, something like this. This is what I mean by landscape. But if I choose something like TikTok now, if I make use of this TikTok or any other one, it's going to be in portrait. It's going to be in what? Portrait. Do you understand? Alright, so we name our project. After naming it, we click on create project. So let's create our project. Okay, it says that the project name should not contain spaces, so we delete this space. It's not supposed to contain spaces. We click on create project. So now, as you can see, this page have popped up, and here now you can see this stuff, this watermark. And if you're an editor, it's not usually advisable to leave a watermark on, okay, so that you don't expose the apps you use in your creation. So that's the rule of that's guiding video editors, okay? So this watermark here right now, we are going to do what? Delete it. How do we delete it? We click on it, we watch ads. Okay, as you can see, my own ads have not popped up because, okay, it have popped up, it have showed. If I'm to remove this watermark, I'll just click on what? Watch ads.
100,000 naira and pay back 5.
Okay, so our ad is over. We click on reward granted so that we can exit this app. Alright, so this is your Binime app. Now I'm going to explain what all these things are used for. I'm going to explain all these icons and their uses. So first of all, we are going to go with this first one, this sticker. Let's talk about it. This sticker now, this one has to do with if you want to add any image in your Binime, in your whiteboard animation. As you can see in this whiteboard, and this one here, that picture now, if you want to add it, you click on where? Add image. After clicking on add image, you can add the image you want. But our advice, before you create any whiteboard animation, you must have your script. A script is like what you wrote, like something that you've already written. You go to your notes, that stuff you've already written, you want to make use of, okay? This is my script now. I'm going to go to my notes. This is my script. This is what I want to create. So now in my scene 1, I'm going to copy this text. This is just notes app. I'll copy it. After copying it, this is what I want it to write. I'll copy it. I'll go back to my Binime app. So we are here already. I'll click on text. I'll click on it. Now I'll paste my text. I'll paste it here. As you can see, it have appeared here, right? Now for this place now, this is the font. Font is like the handwriting. If I want to change it, the handwriting, as you can see, anyone, you just pick one font you like, you know that is okay. Let me just pick this one. I'll say Arabic. Alright, this is great. Now here, this button is for you to increase the font. Do you understand? The writing. The other one beside it, this one, is for you to do what? Reduce it. Do you understand? So this one is for alignment. As you can see, it's all going. This one now, this one here is for alignment. So if I click it on the middle, if I click this one in the middle, this is the one I clicked here right now, this one, and you saw what happened, right? If I want to click on this side now, this one here, this is what will happen. But let me just use Let me just use this one, okay? Or let me use the middle one. Yes, this is okay. No, let me just use this one. All right. So color. This is where I clicked to get my color. Here right now, color. I'll click on my color, okay? You select the color you want, anyone you want, you select it. And if you look at this place and you don't like any of the colors, you go to this place that they wrote custom. Here, you go to this place that they wrote custom, you click on it, click on custom, then you choose your words, you choose your color. You know, anyone you're choosing, you'll be seeing what the color will look like over here. Oh yeah, watch me. As you can see, this is the color you're picking. So anyone you pick, and the name will be changing. Okay, so let's just say, let me pick this one for instance, or should I go with black? Let's just go with black. I'll click on it. Now this one is for you to duplicate, to make it two. Now this thing now have appeared two, but if you don't want to duplicate it, let's say that you made a mistake that you want to delete it, you can just scroll like this way. See what I'm doing? This way, and you click on delete. All right, so here you go over to animation. Let me show you what animation is all about. Animation, bounce, flash, pause. This is, you know, animation to give it vibe, because if this thing is standing still, it's not going to look nice. So you just give it a little bit of what? Animation, anyone you want. Let me say zoom in. I like this animation. Now I've picked zoom in as my animation. This delay is how many seconds do you want it to delay before it comes in? Okay, let's try it. We put 11 point something seconds, so which means that this thing is going to delay 11 points. Count, look at here, it's counting. Look at here, it's counting. See, 11 point something, then it will now come out. Do you understand? So in that animation, this is where we clicked on the text. See it here, 11.9 delay, which means it will delay 11.9 seconds before it will show. Okay, so then I don't want the delay, I can just put it back. This one is for, sorry, this line that I'm increasing is just to increase the space. This is where I clicked this line now. Okay, I don't need the delay, I can just type it instead of wasting your time and be touching these buttons, these ones now, these two buttons. Instead of wasting your time, you can just do what? Tap on the 11.4, enter the value towards 0, you click on OK, which means this stuff will start what? Immediately if you play it. Now let's check, it will start what? Immediately, it will not waste time. All right, so we are done with this one. What we are going to do right next is we are going to add a background. Now this sticker and this background are two different things. Hope you know, sticker and background are two different things. Let me show you the difference between background and sticker. Let's say that I put a background. Now I will select an image from, that is, selecting image means you get image from your phone, any picture that is in your phone. Okay, so if you click on select image from background, it will show the pictures you have in your phone. I'll pick one, then anyone it shows you, you can crop it. Look at this stuff, this place now, this sign here, you can crop it using the sign. You can crop it, touch here, you crop it. Anyone to remove this stuff, do you understand? So you crop it and you click on OK. See, this is the background. This has automatically become the background. But let me show you what sticker is all about. If you want, you can use color as your background. This place that they said solid color, you choose one color, it will be your background. See, this is the color of the background. So it depends on the one you want to choose, but I will say, let me just use sorry, I want to use solid color, and the color I want to use is what? White. All right, so now let's go over to sticker. I'll add image. Adding up my image right now is, I want to add an image I'm using. So in this my script, in this first one, as you can see, I'll go over to my notes. So let me see what is in my first scene. So here, this place now, sketch of person looking at a phone, looking confused. So which means that the one I'm going to make use of right now is what? This first one. Because okay, I'm going to tell you how you can get these images. Now let me show you how you can get these images. Let me just crop this one first. I'll click on OK. So this image have what? Come out. You can reduce the size using this line here. This line, you can reduce the size. Okay, So you reduce it, you can increase it, okay, anyone you want to do. So I'll keep it like this. I'll keep it this way. All right, so you can also give it animation if you like. You can give it animation. Do you understand? You can give it animation. So let me teach you guys how you can get these images. You can just go to your Google, browse sketch of a person thinking. This is just sketch diagram, not see sketch diagram. Then you click on one of the things, one of the pictures, it will show you. Now how can you download this thing? Long press it, like don't tap it once, so long press it, then this thing will come out. You click on where download image. If you click on download image, then you wait for the image to do what, to download. It will now pop up. So that's how you can get it. Let's get back to what we are doing. So we've already uploaded our image, the first one. Okay, so now there's this stuff I did when I was creating this first one. As you can see, it looked as if it was someone that was writing it. Now if I'm to do this is how you can do it. You click on this place that they said hand, you click on it, we click on it, you pick one hand. As you can see, there are so many different type of hands that you can pick. So this one here means that you don't want hand. This one you don't want hand, but you're going to have to pick one hand. Let me just say let me use this one. I'm going to use this one. Sorry, I want to use this one. Okay, now let's play. We click on this face and say play page. Okay, it have not entered because we added animation to this stuff. We need to remove all this animation. We put it in default. Default means no animation. We put it in default. So then we put our hand, we select the hand that we want, and we'll click on what, play page. Have you seen it? It's now writing. Have you seen it? So this is how you can do it. Now once our first slide is done, we want to go to another slide. This is what we are going to do. We are going to click on this place so that it can open another page for us. So as you can see, this is it. The page I've already what popped up. Now the next thing I'm to do here is to do what, go back to my script. So you are done with scene 1. Scene 2. What if your phone could pay you weekly? I'll copy it, or I'll cut it. Anyone, I'll copy it. Now let's remember the photo here, light bulb overhead or idea moment. Okay, let's go back to what we are creating. We click on the second page. See, this page popped up here. What you're going to do is just to click on this second page, then you can enter into the second page you created. We click on text, we insert that text here, we insert it. Okay, this is it. We can change it, we can change the color if you want. Remember, we can change the color, any color you want, we can change it. So let me just put it this way. Okay, so I'm done. Now I'm going to go to my sticker. I'm going to add image, my recent. So background, remember, is light bulb, right? You crop it a little bit. You crop it and shape it a little bit. This is it. You shape it and crop it a little bit. Crop it closer. Then this is it. We remove our hands. We can increase it if we want, you know, anyone at all. We can increase it. So this is it. We can also increase this one too. Sorry, okay. You can increase it. All right. So I think this is okay now. Let's play. See, I've reduced it. All right. So once we are done, we click on this plus sign again. This is what we are going to do until we finish all the slides. Going to go over to my script right now. Okay, we are going to scene 3 because that's what we're about to do. We copy our text, which is use AI tools to turn text into videos fast. Let's copy it and let's go back to Beanie. Alright, let's paste what we copied over to this place. Okay, so we increase it, move it to the top. Now let me go over to my script. Scene 3 says sketch phone plus AI robots. That is the image I need to add. I'll go to my sticker, go to add image, click on this robot because that's the one I want to make use of. Now I'll crop it. Okay. Alright, this is the size I need. I'll click on OK, and this is it. I'll increase the size a little bit. So I'm going to go over and get one more image, an image of a camera, because remember it's robot and camera, that's what we saw in our scene 3. So I'll get this camera, I will crop it to the size I need. Okay, so I'm done cropping it. I'm now going to put the size, I'm going to resize it, add it so that it will stay in line with this image. Okay, all right, we are done. Let's go over to scene 4. Let's create another page. All right, scene 4 says create content for businesses, influencers, brands, and the scene here is hand sending video to someone and getting paid. Okay, we paste this here, we paste it. Okay, we are going to increase it a little bit. Okay, let me adjust this stuff. So guys, we repeat the same process for all the scenes we are going to have in this video so that this video will be short. Let me keep this video short. So since we are done, we are going to click on this place, music, this place right now, music, we are going to click on it. Music, I want to add music to it. I'm going to have to click on it. All right, so I'll click on music. If you click on here, then you choose music from your music list, from your own music list, the music you have in your phone. But if you pick record, it means that you have to record your voice, you have to be talking. I'm not going to use record now because I'm making use of screen recorder. Okay, now this music, we click on music. It will take me to the musics I have in my phone. So I'll click on inspire because this is the music I want to make use of. This is the music I added. I need to crop this music. If you noticed in the starting, you know it before, like it will take a time some time before you hear it. So I'll click on, this is where I clicked on edit. I'll click on edit. I'll click on it. Like, you first of all touch this music. So then you must be wondering what this place is for. This one is for the track, like for what you created. So it's not really what we are working with. We are working with this one here, this one, inspire music. That's the music you added. So this is where it started. I'll click on the music, click on edit. I'll cut it small. One I want. I'll click on it. The volume, I can reduce the volume. A little bit. So as you can see, this is what we've created. This is what we have created. So I'm done. Let's play it. Okay, there is still a pause. So I need to edit it more. All right, so I'm done. Let's play. So you can see that in this place now, they first of all drew this man before the money bag and the rest. So it's actually my fault. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to have to delete all these things. So anyone you're adding, you add it according to how you want it to show. So I'll first of all, I will now put it back again. I'll put it back. Alright, so I'm done with everything. Let's play it again. Now if you notice, this video is a little bit boring. We really need to add animations to each pages or transitions. Like, okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. See, once this page plays, the next one will just come out randomly. So if I want to stop that I want to create and like transitions the way after page 1 we show page 2, the way page 2 pop up is, I'll click on that page. I'll start from page 1. I'll scroll like this. I'll go to transition. See, swipe left, swipe right. If you click on apply between all pages, it means that all pages will be doing the same thing. Now let me show you. Let's check. Let me pick zoom out. Now let's play. As you can see, all pages are doing the same thing. They are all what zooming out. But if I am to just add zoom out to the first one, then I'll go to the second page, click on second page. I'll pick one. Let me say flip out. No. No. Let me just pick this one. Okay. Page 3. Fade out. Page 4. Okay. Page 5. Let me say flip out. Page 6. No. Page 7. Okay, so this is okay. Now let's play our video. this page 3 now, the transition, let's change it to something like, let's say, slide up. All right, so now I want to add something like animation by, like something that will show that I am the one that animated it. I'll still go over towards stickers. Look at this place now. Casual mail, corporate mail. Then you scroll, you see more one. Let's click on casual mail. These ones are for mails. Do you understand? For mails, you pick anyone. You can get stickers from here too. You can get ideas from here too. Do you understand? Okay. All right. I've actually seen a better sticker for this. Yeah, for this page. I'll go to corporate mail. I'll click on this. I'll put this over here rather than this. Yeah, this suits better, right? All right, so this is much more better. Yeah, this is much more better. So we go over to stickers, corporate female. First of all, we're going to create another page. So this is our page 8. Go to stickers, corporate female, male occupation. You will see so many things here. Sorry. Corporate female. This is for corporate female. Okay. This is for male occupation. This is for female occupation. This is for child. This is for senior. This is for group, and so many other things. Do you understand? So many other things. So you can just do what? Pick one. Anything you like there. Anything you like there. You can just do what? Pick it. So in this case, I'm going to pick corporate female. Now I'm going to increase this thing. I'm going to increase this stuff. Okay. Then I'm going to click on text. I will type something like animated by Ella. By Ella. Okay, something like this. We reduce it so that it enter here. I can as well change the color, even the font, anyone. I can change the color to, let's say, see, or I can just put it to blue. Anyone at all, it depends. So since we are done, let's play our video. with what we are doing. The next thing we are to do now is make sure we remove this watermark. Always check this watermark. I repeat, always check this watermark whenever you're done editing your videos. Let's remove it again. Alright, so I've removed the ad. The next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on here to save it. I'm going to click here to save it. So let me click on there. I've saved it. After saving it, the next thing I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on here, share, so that I can export it to my photo so that it will enter inside my gallery. So I'll click on it. I'll name the movie. Sorry. I will name the movie. I'll click on make movie. You allow it to make the movie. I repeat, allow it to make the movie. Allow it to make the movie. You just allow it. Once it reaches to the end, it will be uploaded into your gallery. Okay, so allow it to upload the movie and be checking it as it is uploading so that you know if it's what you really designed, to know if you made any mistakes. Do you understand? Okay, so as you're watching your video, go through everything and exercise patience so that this will load to the end. All right, so this is how you can create whiteboard animation. You can actually use it to create advertisements for businesses, for companies, for individuals, and you can get paid a lot. So stop saying that there is no job opportunity. There is job opportunity everywhere. It's just that people are not aware. Lack of awareness, that's just it. You can start your video editing work and you can get paid really well while editing, or let me say from editing videos for what people. Okay, so let's just exercise patience. Okay, still rendering the movie, still in progress, so let's just wait. All right, now sharing the movie means you will send it to people you want to send it to. Let me say, for instance, I want to share it to my WhatsApp business. Okay, I'm going to let me share it to myself. I'm going to share it to myself. Okay, I will send it to myself. This is just my number. I've sent it to myself. Okay, so let's wait for it to load so that we can now play the video. As you can see, it's in landscape. I allowed it. Remember, when we are editing this video, it was in YouTube 1080p, which is what landscape. I chose the landscape, so that's why it's like this. Okay, let's watch. All right, as you can see, our animation has ended, but you notice that we made a mistake. Instead of writing animated by Ella, so anyway, we are just going to leave it like that. So that's more reason why you should check all your designs properly once you're done editing. All right guys, see you guys in the next class.